If you're only using Claude to ask questions, you're barely scratching the surface. About 15% of what it can really do. There are 6 things almost nobody knows about. And by the end of this video, you'll be ahead of 99% of Claude users. Welcome back to Lore Stickman. 6 features. 4 are different ways to use Claude, and the last 2 make all of them way more powerful. Let me walk you through every one. Here they are: Claude, Cowork, Dispatch, Code, Plugins, and Skills. Let's start at the top. Number 1 is Claude Chat, the one you've probably already used. You open Claude in your browser, type a question, get an answer. The best part? It works everywhere. Browser, phone, desktop, same Claude, same conversation, all synced. This is the foundation. If you're brand new, start here. But this is just the beginning. Everything else builds on top of it. Number 2 is Cowork, and most people have never heard of it. Cowork is a desktop app that lives on your computer and can actually see your files, open them, edit them, create new ones. You give it a task, and it goes and does it. You're not just chatting anymore. Claude is actually working on your machine, and it's built for people who don't code, which is most of us. Think of it as a 24/7 assistant. Tell it to read your emails and summarize them, organize your messy desktop, or even plan a shopping list for your trip and drop it in a clean PDF. Anything that needs Claude to touch real files, that's Cowork. Number 3 is Dispatch, a real game changer. You assign a task from your phone, Claude does the work back home on your desktop and sends the finished result right back to your phone. On the go, at a coffee shop, anywhere. And it's one continuous conversation. Start it on your phone, pick it up on your laptop, same thread, same memory. You never start over. And real quick, if you're getting value from this, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Lore Stickman. It genuinely helps the channel, and it's free. Okay, back to it. Number 4 is Claude Code, and this one builds real software. Where Cowork looks at your files, Code writes the code, tests it, hunts bugs, and hands you a working app. And before you say, I'm not a developer, guess what? Now you are. Just tell it what you want, and it builds it for you. If you can think of it, Claude Code can build it. So those are the 4 ways to actually use Claude. The last 2 aren't products. They're upgrades that make the first 4 way more powerful. Number 5 is plugins. Think of these like apps in an app store, except the store is Claude. A plugin is a ready-made bundle of tools you just install, and Claude gets a brand new ability. Install a Slack plugin, and Claude can talk to Slack. Install a design plugin, and it can create things it couldn't before. Plugins extend what Claude can do without you building anything yourself. And number 6 is Skills. The most useful one almost nobody uses. A skill is dead simple. It's a folder with instructions. A step-by-step guide that teaches Claude exactly how to do one job really well. And it reads those instructions every time that job comes up. Skills work everywhere Claude works. Chat, Cowork, and Code. Install once, works across all of them. Grab one someone else made or build your own. Perfect for anything you'll ask Claude to do more than once. So remember, Claude Chat is for thinking. Cowork gets things done on your computer. Dispatch hands off tasks from your phone. Code builds real software. Plugins extend what it can do. And Skills teach it how you want things done. Your job? Pick the one that matches what you need right now. You don't have to master all 6 today. But now you know they exist, and that already puts you ahead of 99% of people using Claude. If this helped, subscribe to Lore Stickman. I'm doing a full deep dive on each one of these, one video at a time. See you in the next one.